Today, we're sharing 5 powerful words that can instantly make your sentences more impactful and engaging. Let's get started. Imagine. Meaning, to create a mental picture of something. In a sentence, imagine the possibilities when you choose the right words to express your ideas. Why it's effective. This word encourages the audience to visualize, making your message more engaging. Reveal. Meaning, to make something known or visible. In a sentence, she finally decided to reveal the secret she had kept for years. Why it's effective. This word builds anticipation and curiosity in your audience. Unveil. Meaning, to disclose or present something officially. In a sentence, the artist will unveil his latest masterpiece at the gallery tonight. Why it's effective. Adds a sense of excitement and importance to announcements. Empower. Meaning, to give someone the confidence or ability to do something. In a sentence, the teacher's encouragement empowered the students to believe in their abilities. Why it's effective. Creates a strong motivational tone and encourages action. Command. Meaning, to direct attention or authority with confidence. In a sentence, he knew how to command the room with just a few words. Why it's effective. This word helps establish authority and makes your speech more impactful. Quick tip. Use words that encourage action, spark curiosity, and create engagement to make your sentences stand out.